This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credit goes to him. Hey guys, today we have new PlayStation VR2, the next generation virtual reality gaming device, which is take your gaming experience on another level. So let's unbox this new PlayStation VR2. A next-gen VR gaming device is here. Who loves to play VR games? Let me know in the comments. And drop one like for this new PlayStation VR2. In the box we get some manuals, USB to USB-C cable, earphones, that's kinda weird looking earphones. New redesign, PlayStation VR2 Sense controllers. Kinda like DualSense thumbsticks but smaller. And finally our VR device, only compatible with PS5 console, not compatible with PS4 or PC. Everything looks so nice, but this new design makes any difference for long gaming? Let's find that, but please note this first, too much VR gaming can harm your eyes, so do not play VR games too much. Now, let's dive into virtual reality. But before that, guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. Gran Turismo 7. Wow, this is amazing. It feels like I will driving a real car, on real racing track. It feels so real I can't explain. This is the best VR game I tried so far. I did not experience any motion sickness or vomit in Gran Turismo 7. Did you guys ever experience VR sickness? This game seems almost perfect for virtual reality. Resident Evil Village. I am so excited to play this game in VR, but in reality did game not look so good. I am so disappointed. Maybe because graphics. I have way better experience with Gran Turismo 7. The glasses went out of focus, and blurry, sometimes during action. Maybe the experience get better. If I try again later. I hoping to see more AAA games for PlayStation VR2 in future. Horizon, Call of the Mountain.
There. Can't walk in the light if you can't see in the light, right?
We should have stayed together.
Horizon looks so beautiful, it's like I am in another world.
Several years in the military and she still believes in justice.
Will you sit your patronizing ass down and paddle? If he runs,
Where to? The only place he can go is Don's grasp.
stay still, you idiot. Never come this far to get struck by lightning.
I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.